Okay, namaskara.
That is good.
And there's so many ways to greet, when you say namaskara, some will say swadika, some say koheri, and in Mongols they say samvano. In Tibetan, we also have a way to say namaskara. We say chashi delek. How we say? Yeah, tomorrow is our New Year, Tibetan New Year, so you can say chashi delek. Okay, so before I present, I just want to give you a fact that there should be a Guinness record, which is missing in the Guinness record book. That is, world's biggest pocket is ours. You can carry everything, your books, your mobile, even if you get married, you have a baby, you can carry in there. And right now, I'm carrying my flag, the Tibet flag. So you shouldn't confuse with the Tibet flag with the Barcelona jersey, since it has blue and red. Okay. So, I just want to ask you, what do you know about Tibet? When we say Tibet, what comes to your mind? Momos. Good.
Related to China.
What?
It's a place that's related to China.
Oh, place that related nearby China.
Nearby China,
Yeah,
not
that's
related.
correct, yeah.
Not related.
So my Kannada friends, when we ask what do you know about Tibet, what do you think? Okay, next. So, who is he? Yes, he is the spiritual leader of the great 14th Dalai Lama. So when we say Tibet, many people know Tibet by few reasons. Because they know Dalai Lama, so they know Tibet. Many people don't know where is Tibet. Even some of my Kannada people, Tibet is there. Then they will say Kushanagar, Golden Temple. They will be confused. So today I'm going to show where is Tibet exactly where it is. Please. So Tibet is here. This is India. We have a neighboring country of Republic of China. We have Burma, Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. We all are neighbors. So if you see on the map, next time don't point that Tibet is in Kushanagar, which is in the southern part of India. So Tibet is often known as the water tower of Asia. See, in Karnataka, if you don't have Kaveri River, you have no life tomorrow. Right? Why are we called water tower of Asia? See, most of the rivers are coming from Tibet. Since the Tibet is surrounded by snow mountains, all the rivers coming from Tibet. You see, Brahmaputra, it goes from Tibet to India to Bangladesh. Irrawaddy River to Myanmar, Yangtze River, Mekong River to Laos, Cambodia, Thailand. Even in Pakistan, Satluj, Indus. Even the China is depending on our rivers actually. Okay, that's why we call water tower of Asia. We are serving 2 billion people in terms of water. Most of Tibet, 99% of the Tibetans remember this date, remember this year. Which year is this?
1959.
Why people don't forget this year? This is not my birthday, but year. But why people don't forget this year? Exactly. I love that. This is the year where we lost our country. Where Tibet was illegally occupied by China. That is why 1959. It's written on our forehead. We never forget that. But still, we believe our day will come back soon. So next slide. After 1959, our country was annexed by China. Then we came to our group for the refuge. Who's our group? India. India and Tibet has been a long history of relation. We have a very good relationship. That's why we came to India for a refugee, and we become refugees. We have 1.3 lakh Tibetan refugees in India and across the world. But 6 million Tibetans still remain in Tibet right now. Next slide. So that is why after we came into exile, we formed our own government. There are so many refugees in the world. We are one of the most successful refugee community in the whole world. We established our government in exile in Dharamshala, which is a beautiful town. You must go in Himachal Pradesh. And Indian government is so generous to us. And that's why we have a settlement. We run like any other governments, democratically. Next. The government in exile is called Central Tibetan Administration. Since India, we can't have two governments in one country. That's why it's unofficially we call this Tibetan government, but in official we say Central Tibetan Administration. But you must know that this has the long back history to Tibet. Next. So what is the situation now? I never met my family for the last 20 years. Some of Tibetans never seen their families. And even from the kids, to the monks, they self-immolated, they burn themselves. So that, international community will know that what's happening in Tibet. Politically, socially, economically, environmental destruction, everything is going on. So right now we are under the Chinese oppression. We are the least free country in the whole world, even below the North Korea and Syria. His Holiness says that the world doesn't belong to the leaders. The world belongs to whom? All humanity. That is why. That is why we believe the truth will come sooner. Sooner or later, the truth will always win. And when the day comes, our freedom struggle will prevail, our truth, Tibet truth will prevail, and those who are supporting Tibet are actually supporting the truth. They are pro-justice. They are not anti-China. They are not pro-Tibet. But they are pro-justice. That is why we believe that our day will come, because we are Buddhists, we believe in impermanence. When our day comes, you all are welcome, and see you all in Tibet very soon. Thank you so much.